Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken wings in the Weber kettle. They're going to come out juicy, crispy and awesome. So let's get stuck into it. Alright, so the Weber setup. We're going to be using a vortex to do the wings today. So it's basically a pyramid of steel that you fill with nice red hot briquettes. Buddy's going to give us a hand apparently. And it'll basically create a hot vortex of air, and we're going to be lining up our wings indirect to that. So we'll get some nice red hot briquettes ready in our chimney starter, or you can fill that up and put a firelighter in there, whatever's easiest for you, but you want to fill that with nice red hot briquettes. Alright, so we've got our chimney worth of nice red hot ashed over briquettes in there. Going to fill our vortex up. If we fall just short, we're just going to put some fresh briquettes on top and they'll catch a light and ash over really quick. So we'll go ahead and pour them in. Alright, so we fell just short with my estimation, but that's fine. Just top it up with some fresh stuff, and in about 5 minutes they'll be nice, red hot and ashed over, ready to go. Once they are, we will put our cooking grate on, and then we'll put the lid on, and we'll let the cooker warm right up and get nice and hot before we put our wings on. Alright, so the flavours we're using today, we've got the Cosmos Q Honey Chipotle Killer Bee, one of our favourites. Then we've got the Dirty Bird by Cosmos Q. And then we're trying a couple that I haven't tried on wings before, but I reckon they're going to go awesome. The El Hacha by Butcher's Axe. If you haven't heard of Butcher's Axe, look them up. Look for that logo. The guys are absolutely killing it, and they're bringing out some awesome rubs. And then Ranger by Butcher's Axe as well, which is a nice, sweet and savoury rub. Really well balanced. That's a Tex-Mex sort of flavour, that El Hacha. They've already started winning awards with it, and it's only just come out. So get onto that stuff. I reckon these two are going to become potentially my new favourite wing rubs. Look at the colour on that. It's absolutely insane. And then we're going to be using a nice chunk of pecan from Natural Smoke. Look at the quality on that. Absolutely awesome stuff. So we'll wait for this Weber to get nice and hot, and then we will get our wings in around that vortex. Right, so it's been about 5 minutes. We'll have a look at these briquettes. They are looking ready. So we'll get these wings on now. So now all you need to do, chuck your smoking wood on, and we're going to put the lid on. And every 10 minutes, I'm thinking this will be about a 35-40 minute cook. So every 7 to 10 minutes, we're going to rotate the lid a quarter of the way, just so that heat goes over each of our wings and they're cooked nice and evenly, and they'll all get crispy together. So we'll give it a rotate every 7 to 10 minutes. We'll have a look at the halfway point and see where we're at. Alright, that's been about 8 minutes. So we'll just rotate it so the heat goes over them wings that are sitting on the left side. Alright, just about to turn the lid again because it's been another 8-ish or so minutes. We'll have a quick sneak peek as well. Oh, so we're getting some really, really nice colour on them. They're coming along real nice. So we'll just put it back and turn it again. If you're a clean freak, you can lay foil on the inside of the Weber so all the drips don't make a mess everywhere. I do that sometimes, but I actually forgot to do it this time, but that's fine. We'll come back in another 10 or so minutes when we turn the lid again. Now, before we do our final lid turn, we know that the safe internal temperature for eating chicken is recommended at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That doesn't mean as soon as it hits that, you pull the chicken wings off. Don't do that. We're going to be looking for that crispy skin, and I'm not fussed if we go right up to 190, 195 Fahrenheit internal. Chicken wings can take a beating and they'll still be nice and juicy. Trust me on this one. Give it a shot. Don't just rip them off as soon as they get to 165. Go for that crispy skin, and don't stress if they go over by 30 or 40 degrees. So let's keep an eye on them. We're just about ready for our next lid turn, and they'll be ready soon. Alright, so each side's had about 8 to 10 minutes, been just shy of a 40-minute cook time in total. Let's get this lid off and have a look. Alright, so we've got the Ranger there. Pretty sure that was the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee, Dirty Bird, and the El Hacha. They are looking sensational. So let's have a quick read of the internal. So 170, that's probably going to go up to 180, 183, and you can feel that skin is nice and crispy. 195 there. Trust me, like I said, they're going to be fine. So let's get these out, let them cool, and then we'll have a taste test. Alright, so that's the end of the video. As you can see, awesome wings. Oh man, that is good. That crispy skin, it's not rubbery, it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm getting stuck into the rest of these. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.